Hello students, good morning all of you. Today we will study class 9th English Vihype chapter first remaining parts. Margie was scornful school. What is there to write about school? I hate school. Margie always hated school, but now she hated it more than ever. The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing rows and rows until his mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the country inspector. अब हिंदी एक्सप्लेन करते हैं हम. मार्जी तिरस्कार से भरी हुई थी. स्कूल के बारे में लिखने के लिए. उसमें क्या है, मुझे स्कूल से नफरत है. शी हेटेड इट मोर देन एवर. मार्गी हमेशा स्कूल से नफरत करती थी, परंतु अब वह इससे और ज़्यादा नफरत करती थी. यंत्र रूपी अध्यापक ने उसे भूगोल की परीक्षा पर परीक्षा देता जा रहा था और वह तब तक बुरा करती रही थी जब तक कि उसकी माँ ने दुख से अपना सिर नहीं हिलाया और राज्य के निरीक्षक को नहीं भेजा. He was a round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple, then took the teacher apart. Margie had hoped he would not know how to put it together again, but he knew how all right, and after an hour or so, there it was again. Right, and after an hour or so, there it was again, large and black and ugly, with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. That was not so bad. The part Margie had it most was slot where she had to put homework and test papers. She always had to write them out in a punch code they made her learn when she was 6 years old, and the mechanical teacher, calculated the marks in no time. यहाँ शुरू करते हैं. He was a round little man with a red face and a whole box. वह एक छोटा आदमी था जिसका लाल चेहरा था और औजारों और तारों का पूरा बक्सा था. वह मार्गी पर मुस्कुराया और उसे एक सेब दिया. Gave her an apple. तब अध्यापक को दूर ले गया. मार्गी को आशा थी कि वह नहीं जानता होगा कि उसने दोबारा कैसे स्थापित करना है, परंतु वह जानता था कि उसे किस प्रकार ठीक रखना है. और 1 घंटे के पश्चात वह दोबारा बड़ा, काला और भद्दा हो गया, एक बड़े पर्दे के साथ जिस पर सभी अध्यक्ष दिखाई दिए और प्रश्न पूछे जा रहे थे. वह इतना बुरा नहीं था. मार्गी जिस भाग में सबसे ज़्यादा नफरत करती थी, वह एक दिया हुआ स्थान था जहां वह अपना गृह कार्य और परीक्षा के कागज़ों को रखती थी। वह हमेशा उन्हें गुप्त भाषा में लिखती थी। जब वह 6 साल की थी तब उसने उसे पढ़ना सिखाया और यंत्र रूपी अध्यापक चिन्ह को बिना कोई समय लिए ज्ञात कर लेता था। Para 5. The inspector had smiled after he was finished and patted Margie's head. She had her mother. It is not a little girl. A fault, Mrs. Jones. Mr. Jones, I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick. Those things happen sometime. I have sort it up to an average 10-year level. Actually, the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory, and he patted Margie's head again. Margie was disappointed. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector and blanked out completely. So she said to Tommy, why would anyone write about school? Tommy looked at her with her superior eyes. Because it is not our kind of school. Stupid, this is the old king of school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago. He added loftily, pronouncing the words carefully. Centuries ago. Margie was hurt. Well, I don't know what kind of school they had all that time ago. She read the book over his shoulder for a while, then said, anyway, they had a teacher.